Hello everyone, my name is Gengmu Ruan. I'm a PhD candidate from Aalto University in Finland. Today, it is my great honor to introduce our research, namely an integrated architectural and structural design concept by using local salvaged timber. First, I would like to introduce our multidisciplinary research group. Professor Gerhard Fink is an assistant professor who's majoring in structural engineering, specific in wooden structures in Aalto. Professor Günther H is an associate professor, an architect, and a structural engineer supervising the structures and architecture research group in Aalto University. I am doing a jointed position with a special focus on timber-only structures and architecture under the supervision of the two professors. Our research investigates the intersection of architectural design and structural design with an aim of tackling the environmental challenges in the context of timber-only structures. As a starting point, we focus on local constructions and try to find sustainable, economic, and durable alternatives. In Finland, which is full of forest areas, we have large amount of needs to build natural trail structures. However, the traditional construction approach requires new timber boards with large cross-section and large lengths, and it is normally very costly. As an alternative, we proposed a design concept for timber-only natural trails, which are realized by salvaged timber and wooden nails, which means the entire structure will be realized by timber only. An initial concept has been already introduced in the last IASS conference in 2019. Based on the preliminary research and findings, we propose an integrated design concept which considers material, connection, structure, and architecture by using salvaged timber and wooden nails only. As a design sequence, we start with material and connection in parallel and merge them into a structure and then merge into an architecture form. However, the four aspects that we highlight are highly interconnected, and the process forms feedback loops in our design concept. For the material, we use salvaged timber from a local timber housing company in Finland. Those materials are mainly timber cutoffs. We also established a database to record the geometric properties of the salvaged timber boards. In parallel, we investigated the structural behavior of wooden nail connections to connect salvaged timber boards. A series of experimental investigations were conducted to find out the most optimal use of wooden nail connections. For example, we conducted shear tests to find out optimal nailing angles of the connection. We also conducted a series of bending tests to find out the moment resistance of the connection. Then, as a merger, we integrated the findings from material and connection into a structural prototype. The prototype is a 2.4 meter span, simply supported beam-time structure. We also tested by allowing people standing and jumping on top of the structure. As a result, a considerable load-bearing capacity and the pedestrian load can be identified. In the next step, we explored the architectural diversity of the structure and the patterns created by different board arrangements. As the output of our research, we utilized our concept in a design case, which is a natural trail design in Finland. The whole project is about 6 meters long and it has a central plaza area. Our idea is to realize the rest part of the trail by using the structure that we developed as a modular element. For the plaza area, we proposed a deformed version by curving the arrangement of timber boards. This project is still ongoing and possibly will be realized in this October. Thank you very much for your interest to listen to our research project. We will be appreciated if you have some comments and questions. And if you want to know more about the project, you can send us emails to the attached addresses. You can also find our related publications to the project below. Thank you.